Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain how you can easily find your Wise account number, so let's jump right into it. First, open the Wise app on your phone or go to the Wise website on your computer. Log into your account by entering your email address and password, or using your saved login details. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your main dashboard where you can see all your currency balances. Here, select the specific currency account for which you want to find the account number, for example, USD, Euro, GBP, or any other currency you've set up in Wise. Tap or click on that balance to open it. Right underneath your account balance, you should see some banking details displayed, including your account number. To view the complete details, tap or click on the account number section. This will show you the full account number along with other important information like the sort code, IBAN, routing number, and SWIFT code depending on the currency and country. That's it. You now have your Wise account number, and you can copy it directly from there to share with someone or use for receiving payments.